quite tricky to open. Oh wow, it's really tiny. A little tiny piece of Roman jewellery. So that one is made out of bronze. It's described as a torque. You usually think of a torque as going around the neck. Don't know whose neck that is going to fit. So maybe a child's bracelet, perhaps? Or, I mean, you do sometimes get kind of miniature versions of things that are created as votive offerings. So it could feasibly be something like that as well. Don't know if you can see, the ends have sort of been turned back on themselves, but there's no further decoration on it. So metal, in some ways, is a much sort of trickier material to look after than terracotta is.